Hey, Kunal, it's Mrs. Lil. I cannot believe that this is how we're ending your 4 year career in business and also in DECA. But what a career you've had. To make it to ICDC all 4 years is absolutely phenomenal. I wonder sometimes because you've actually done it, if you understand how phenomenal it actually is. I'm hoping that when you go to Penn State, you're going to meet some other DECA kids, and when you throw it out there that you made it to ICDC all 4 years and you were president and all the different things you've done while you're in high school, I think that you're going to meet quite a few kids and even adults that are absolutely flabbergasted by what you've done. Not only are you a very intelligent young man, but I've also always been completely enamored with the character that you've shown in several different situations, and even in this really tough situation that you have going on right now. I know this is not how we wanted your senior year to end, but please know that you really are leaving East High School on an unbelievably high note. Everyone has the most respect for you, not only at the teacher level, the administrator level, but even your peers and some of your younger kids as well. Thank you for all that you've done, not only in the classroom, but with our DECA program and even being our DECA president. I always knew that you were a young man that I could count on, and it probably means more to me than you would even imagine. So please know that I wish you only the best at Penn State. I can't wait to hear all of the different activities and events that you're going to get involved with. You will always know where to find me, and if there's ever anything that I can do for you, please know that I would be happy to help you in any way. Best wishes to you as you graduate from East High School and you move on to the next phase of your life. I've really enjoyed working with you over these 4 years. Take care.